Hey, John.Hunter, your mortgage lender, coming back again with another rate update. This one for the week of March 21st, 2025. So we had a Fed meeting this week, and they surprised absolutely no one and didn't do anything. So rates trended down overall, though. The trend, that seems to be the trend. We have a 30-year fixed at about 5.99 to about 6.75. 15-year fixed, 5.25 to about 6%. FHA 5.99 to about 6.75, VA 5.875 to about 6.75, down payment assistance 6.375 to about 7.375. The Fed is taking this wait and see or we'll see type of an approach, which I always hated, right? When my mom and dad, when I was growing up, anytime I asked them to do anything fun, their answer was always, we'll see, right? It was never yes or no, and I hate that. So the Fed's doing that to us, and really what they're waiting to see is how Trump's tariffs will affect the overall economy. Will it create inflation? Will it not? If recent history is any teacher here, it's not inflationary long-term. It's short-term at best, if it happens at all. I don't believe that that's going to happen, but of course, they're not willing to take a move. They don't feel there's any pressure to do so. Although the economic reports, I think, are starting to amp up a little bit of pressure, right? I think that it's definitely slowing down. These are all good news for the economy overall. The vast majority of people are going to benefit from a lower rate environment. So a little bit of economic news that sounds bad, really, in the long term, is going to be really good for the economy, especially as the economy picks up, but inflation pressure lowers. It's going to help everyone. So I'm really looking forward to that. I do believe what's going to happen, if you've been listening to any of my updates, is we're in for a black swan event. I don't know what it's going to be, but in this political environment, it's target rich, right? You can pick your angle, right? There's plenty to choose from. Or there's going to be some sort of a tipping point. There's going to be a report that surprises everyone. If you look back at the past, that seems to be the trend. The Fed just kind of waits too long, and then something tips their hand, and then they have to be really aggressive. I think we're in for that. I've been talking about that. I get this overriding feeling that that's going to happen sooner than later, definitely before summer, and I'm just kind of waiting for it. So anyway, guys, I hope that helps and shines a little light. I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but all of those rate buckets, the 30-year, the 15-year, all of that are in the fives. The low end is in the fives, and that's something we haven't seen in a long time. So I'm really happy to see that. Hey guys, and all of it is based on credit score, loan amount, loan type, property type, income, the whole bit. You get the deal. If you want to quote, feel free to reach out. I'm here and would love to answer any questions. And have a great weekend, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.